In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create your company's business page on LinkedIn. So the first thing you need to create business page on LinkedIn is your personal LinkedIn account. How to create a business page on LinkedIn? First thing you need to do is log into your LinkedIn account. So that's my LinkedIn account, and you go here in this corner where it says work. Click on work, and at the bottom of this section you have create a company page. Click this one and that's gonna take you to this screen. Most of you guys will need just this section, the company section. So just click the company, and here you're gonna enter all the information of your company. And here on the right side you have a preview how everything will look. So just fill that with information of your company. Enter your website, industry.
Choose the industry you're in, size, organization type, self-employed.
And here choose logo. If you don't have your logo yet, I advise you to design your logo with canva.com. It's a very simple tool and you should use it. Here we're gonna add a tagline. And here on the right side, we see how everything came together. We see the preview of our business page. Just verify and click on create page. And that brought us to this dashboard. And that's basically it. Now you created your company business page on LinkedIn. Here you can add just all the information such as description, location, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video and are interested in more videos on how to grow your small company online, subscribe to my channel.